Chapter 7. Protecting Animals. Earth is home to many amazing animals, from tiny bacteria that we can't even see to huge whales. We share our planet with all these other animals. Animals help us in many different ways, and we must protect them. We need animals. Many animals, like cows, sheep, and chickens, are raised for food. Farmers raise them to give us meat, cheese, eggs, and milk. In the ocean, there are fish farms where large numbers of fish are raised for food. We use animals to give us leather, wool, and feathers. Around the world, animals are also used to help us with work. They carry people and crops, and they help with farm work. Useful mini-beasts. Insects, like beetles, flies, and ants, help the planet too. Some insects carry pollen from flower to flower. Many flowers need pollen from another flower to make seeds. Bees fly from flower to flower to get nectar to make honey. People collect the honey and enjoy eating it. Many insects are useful because they eat waste, and worms help us by making compost and keeping the soil healthy. Animals in danger. Every animal has a special place to live called its habitat, but people are destroying many of these important habitats. When we cut down the rainforest trees, we destroy the habitat of gorillas and tigers, and hundreds of smaller animals. Global warming is also a problem for animals. For example, if too much ice at the North Pole melts, polar bears will lose their habitat. Hunters kill some animals for money. Many elephants were hunted because people could sell their ivory tusks for a lot of money. Now, this has stopped. But all around the world, hundreds of different types of animal, from insects to tigers, are disappearing because of lost habitats or hunting. Pollution is also a huge problem for animals. What can we do? We must protect habitats, and we must keep the countryside clean. Many countries have made special places called national parks or wildlife parks, where wild animals can live safe from hunters. In Africa, there are also safari parks where tourists from all around the world can come and see the animals in their natural habitat. Zoos today. Many wild animals are kept in zoos or animal reserves. If they are rare animals, the last ones can be kept safe there. They can have babies, and there will be more of them again. Many modern zoos keep animals in places similar to their natural habitat. Sometimes, they take the animals back to their natural home when it's safe. Some charities work to save rare animals and their habitats. You can pay to adopt an animal and help to keep it safe. These giant pandas live in a special animal reserve in China. Many people are adopting giant pandas and helping them here.